Welcome to the future of armored defense. Today, we're going behind these gates to reveal the secrets of our latest tank production process. Now, let's go inside and explore the secret production process of this tank factory.
Its secrets begin with raw steel and a relentless pursuit of perfection.
To build the toughest tank, we first create the toughest metal. Penetration depth is good, it's structurally sound. Sign it off. Keep coming forward. Steady, steady. Now easy down into the furnace.
Ensure the alignment on this jig is within tolerance.
It's moving along, but we're behind schedule.
Running gear is green, ready for power.
She won't get stuck, sir.
This is the armor installation stage of the most powerful tank. The workers are assembling it with incredible precision, detail, and aiming for absolute perfection.
Clear on this side. Okay, engage the hydraulics. Turret is seated. The fit is perfect.
Torque looks good on the primary lines.
Confirmed. I'm starting the seam weld on the external armor now.
The engine block, gearbox, drivetrain system is assembled into a single power pack module.
We have movement at 2 o'clock.
Laser rangefinder active. Distance 1,100 meters.
Missile launcher secured. All systems show green.
Excellent work, team. We're ready for the diagnostic check.
Target locked. Threat neutralized.
All systems are checking out green.
Excellent. The power coupling is stable.
Inspection complete. We are good to go.
Make sure the edges are sharp on the brown section. Copy that. Adjusting the stencil now.
The articulation on the trench seems within tolerance.
Yes, but look at the stress indicators as it takes the ramp.
Heat sensors, smoke sensors nominal.
Confirmed.
Automatic fire suppression system.
Verified.
Tank escape system.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch the treads on the left. Slowly now, set it down.
Driver, move out. Gunner, 40 degrees right. Identify target.